Hello, I'm Maginpanic, and today we're gonna watch another Brawl Star video. Monumental team up is finally coming. Brawl Stars x LINEFRIENDS. This is fully hand-drawn video 2D. That's something I'm obsessed with. So let's just watch it. It's a short, a minute-long video, and I expect to see many cool things, especially special effects. Oh my god. Something that I always appreciate is when someone is drawing a full body rotation. This is not so complicated here, just one drawing here, kind of flipped here, bended knees, and there we go. But I always appreciate when there's no limitation to what we have to draw, what they will draw, and it's kind of the same pose, of course, as there. No limitations. There could be just like a this pose and that's it, but instead they did a full body rotation. I appreciate that. Experience matter, of course. Let's do it. That's a good resting pose. I need to learn that pose to go to sleep in a proper way. It was just drawn? Yes, of course, that was a paint on his chest. Yes, please. Lovely glint. When the character have a body like a circle, it's really cool. An easy way to just turn it around, because all you have to do is you have to just move these facial features here and the ears as we have there. Maybe change a shape a little, but not necessarily, and there we have a head rotation. That's a simple way to design a characters with this circle head. Simplistic. And there the challenge comes. Whoa, that's a nice thing. Everything here moves, and then there is a little glint. Bump. Just a little one. Where did it came from? Again, lovely rotation. Full body rotation. There's no limitation, no. Everything was hand-drawn, frame by frame. And they rotated these characters 360. That's impressive. That's something you will not see in animation many times, because that requires skills, and again skills. Something come out of his backpack, a lovely little thing. Love those special effects. Yes, we have the mask. Oh my god, this fire. Nice one. I want to see that one frame when the character was preparing to jump. It lasted for, yes, just this little image here. Lovely image to sneak it there. And this is it for this video. No post-credit scenes. There we go. Another wonderful video from Brawl Stars. It's about a half year old. And he was training. I love this pose. I love what happened here. And the one thing that I said, there's no limitation in this video. Even though the characters was fairly simple and limited, they didn't stick to that limitation there, then push it. They just push it as far as they could with those 360 rotation over and over. Especially this one here. I love this shot. That's a very wonderful shot to make this 360 rotation, which is not easy, not at all, to preserve the volume of the characters and not do something weird with them. Nice character design. And something that I have to appreciate here, when the cloud was coming, there is just if I've watched recently so many like those atomic bomb video. I don't know why, but they have many things that I can see here. Firstly, you have this wave, that sound wave, that pushing everything away, and this wave appears here, and the wind is kind of strong, so they have to hold it. But after this initial wave, which comes here, everything seems to be a little bit slower. It's still going really fast, but it's kind of slower. That's why this cloud is slower, and it works like a slow motion cloud. What I'm trying to say is fairly realistic, and I appreciate this. This little wave here, this little cloud could go super fast and just going between them really fast, and instead of that it's in this way, and I appreciate that. That's really well made. Thank you so much for watching. I hope there are more videos from BRAWLSTARS, because they are really good. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around on the another video. Cheers.